我们来看一下这一道题 ，Beauty contests。我们来读一遍 ：Beauty contests, whether it's Miss Universe or Miss Teen International, are demeaning to women and out of sync with the times. Opponents say that they're nothing more than symbols of decline. Since Australians Jennifer Hawkins and Lauren Eagle were crowned Miss Universe and Miss Teen International respectively, there has been a dramatic increase in interest in beauty pageants in this country. 好，我读的比较慢，对不对 ？OK， 我们来看看，第一部分 ，beauty contests。OK， 这里呢 S 我 highlight 了一下，注意一定要把这个 S 发出来是复数。OK，whether it's 不要读成 it is，read loud， 看到什么读什么。Whether it's Miss， 这里呢这个单词不念 Mrs，OK， 念 Miss。Whether it's Miss Universe or Miss Teen， 这个 Teen 不要读成 T，OK，Teen International。下面一部分 are demeaning to women and out of sync。OK， 这里要注意了 ，and out of sync， 我没有读成 and out of sync， 我没有这么读 ，and out of sync，and out of sync， 这个 D 呢把它弱化。Out of 这里呢一定要连读 and out of sync with the times， 不要读成 times，OK， 是 times。Opponents say that there are nothing more than symbols of decline. More than 一定要连起来 of，OK， 前面后面连起来 symbols of decline。Symbols of decline。好，我们来读一下 Beauty contests, whether it's Miss Universe or Miss Teen International.are demeaning to women and out of sync with the times. Opponents say that they are nothing more than symbols of decline. 我们来看第二部分 Since Australians 不是 Australia，OK，Australians Jennifer Hawkins 这个名字呢我们可以猜出来 Jennifer Hawkins and Lauren Eagle were crowned 注意这个 ed，OK， were crowned Miss Universe and Miss Teen International respectively。好，这一句话比较长，对不对？我们来看在哪里断句。Since Australians Jennifer Hawkins， 这里呢可以有个 tiny pause。And Lauren Eagles， 最好呢是在这里断。前面是 A 和 B 的关系，对不对 ？Since Australians Jennifer Hawkins and Lauren Eagle were crowned Miss Universe and Miss Teen International respectively， 这样读就没有问题了。下面一部分。There has been a dramatic increase. There has been a dramatic increase. 我没有读成 There has been a dramatic increase. 我没有读成 dramatic increase. 我读的是 There has been a dramatic，OK， 非常的弱 dramatic increase in interest in beauty pageants in this country. 好，下面的哪里断呢 ？There has been a dramatic increase. OK， 一个 tiny pause.In interest in beauty pageants in this country， 选美比赛对不对 ？Beauty pageants in this country。好，我们把这块来读一下，注意断句，同学们。Since Australians Jennifer Hawkins and Lauren Eagle were crowned Miss Universe and Miss Teen International respectively, there has been a dramatic increase in interest in beauty pageants in this country。整篇文章还是比较简单的，对吧？好，大家跟我一起读，我还是语速会放慢一点。我们开始 ，Beauty contests。Whether it's Miss Universe or Miss Teen International, are demeaning to women and out of sync with the times. Opponents say that there are nothing more than symbols of decline. Since Australians Jennifer Hawkins and Lauren Eagle were crowned Miss Universe and Miss Teen International respectively, there has been a dramatic increase in interest in beauty pageants in this country. All right, guys, thank you.